Hiya folks, JD here, and today Heath has sent us another parcel. So this is what we have, all wrapped up, all nice and tidy. So I promised him once again I wouldn't open it unless it was on film. So as you can see, I haven't. It's all entirely sealed. So let's open this up and have a little look and see if once again you can find Heath's information for his channel in my description of this particular video. Right then, let's open this up. Now, he has asked me to be very careful with it, which is why I'm using a scissors and not a knife, just so I can snip away this cardboard from the outside and we can see what we have on the inside. So let me just remove this and then let's open this up. Oh, let's give that, there we go, a bit of a snip there. What have we got? Okay, let's... Okay. Rimmer. Red Dwarf. Right. Red Dwarf. Let's go into a bit of background about Red Dwarf. It's a sci-fi series, a British sci-fi series, which is very tongue-in-cheek. It consists of Crichton, Rimmer, Lister and the cat. And pretty much it's their journey right the way through space. And spoiler alert, well, if you haven't seen it, it's been 30 years. Why haven't you seen it? And essentially it starts off with a nuclear meltdown on the Red Dwarf mining ship. Yeah, I'm a bit of a fan. And from there, then they escape. The 4 crew members escape into a like a little rescue vessel called Starbug, and that then goes through space. And it's pretty much like a very comedy, tongue-in-cheek version of Star Trek, but it's just phenomenal. So look at this. So you've got Rimmer here, his little crest, all 3D printed, and you've got Red Dwarf as well, 3D printed there. I'm really excited. So let's open this up and let's have a little look and see what we've got. Right, so once again, there we go, this is the Red Dwarf. Look at that. It's the side of the Red Dwarf. Let me show you this to begin with. Beautiful, look at that. Let's flip it over. Happy birthday, JD. Yep, it's Starbug 1. Took around 4 days to build. 4 days, my God, Heath. 50 hours for the Good Samaritan. 4 days for this. It was my birthday on the 28th of February. Thank you ever so much, Heath. Hang on. Let's remove everything. I don't want to pull it and, and damage it. So I'm trying to be careful because I'm a really ham-fisted guy. Oh, no way. This, I can see the outline of it. This looks fantastic. Oh, oh mate. That is superb. So this is the little vessel I was talking about. This is Starbug. So the crew members get away in Starbug and then they hurtle through space. It carried on for 13 seasons, I think. It's still going. But there's a, contrary to popular belief, in the middle. Oh no, one of the wings is damaged slightly. Okay, let's lift that up ever so gently. There we go. Look at that. Contrary to popular belief, I think a lot of people, diehard fans like myself, don't consider series 8 and 9 actual Red Dwarf episodes. But there's more to that. But, do you know what? This is incredible. Let's lift this up. Let's have a look. The attention to detail on this, the box, everything, Heath, is second to none. Really is phenomenal. This is fantastic. This is going to sit pride of place next to the Good Samaritan. This is just absolutely fantastic. This is amazing. Thank you ever so much, mate. Really, thank you. And if you haven't checked out Heath or Heath's channel, please do so below. You've got both of his channels in there. The RC Hunter, which is inactive for the minute, as well as you've got Heath's 3D printing channels. Oh, just brilliant. Thank you, Heath, ever so much. A fantastic birthday gift. I'm going to treasure that along with the Good Samaritan. All right then, my friends. Thank you ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.